What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be video 1 of 3. I'm doing a full bathroom makeover. Not that big. So I'm going to give y'all a little tour of this disaster. So, walk in my bathroom. This is what it looks like. Stupid mat. These are the floors. I have towel from floor to ceiling on the walls. This is my shower curtain. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep that or not. My tub is like this beige-ish color. Yeah. I had to get this little rack for some storage. I don't have enough. This is what this looks like on the inside. Yeah. So, I need to get this completely cleared out. So first step in this process is going to be the cleaning process. So I'm going to completely take everything out of here, including the shower, and we'll take everything out and deep clean it, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we finally got the bathroom all cleared out. This is what it looks like right now. I'm just got cleaning supplies there. This is all cleaned out. It's cleaned out. I just got like cleaning supplies there. I use that for cleaning. Yeah, my tub is disgusting, y'all. Look at this. I washed my hair. That is okay. Yeah, anyway, so we're gonna do a deep clean. I got some cleaning supplies here. I'm gonna clean it with all this stuff first before I clean it with the solution that I got from the tub and towel paint. So we're gonna clean it with this stuff first. So we got Ajax, we got some lime, calcium rust away, some other LA Total Awesome, some simple green, and we got some like bug spray, just because there'll be these like random like little, they're not ants, they're not roaches, they're like gnats, but this is all I got, so we're gonna use that for the gnats, like whatever. Make sure I spray down the corners and stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna clean all of this and I'll be back. Whoa. Hi guys. Bye guys. This is not gonna be a 3-part video because ain't nobody got time to be doing all this recording. So it's gonna be like 1 part, maybe 2. Maybe 2. So everything has been nice and squeaky clean while the tub is drying and the walls, well, the walls aren't wet, but while the tub is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting on this back wall here. And we are gonna be using this Rustoleum tub and towel refinishing kit. I have my mask, a real one this time, not a fake one. And yeah, so I'm going to put that together and I'm going to start painting. I don't feel like recording, so I'm going to come back when that wall is like almost done. Okay, bye. Alright, so this is what we're looking at right now. This has 2 coats of paint on it. It still has like 1.5. Kind of started 2, but I ran out of paint. Yeah, I'm just, don't worry about the process, y'all. We're gonna get better. Alright guys, so this process has been a fucking nightmare. But you can see I'm in the bathroom right now. It's way brighter. Like the lighting and everything here is just brighter. This is what it's looking like right now. As you can see, or you probably can't see, but let me show you closer. It's not bad. But yeah, so you walk in, this is what it looks like. My floor does have some paint around the sides, but the tub is needs 1 more coat of paint. The wall, I ran out of paint, and this is 2 boxes of the tub and tile paint. 2 boxes. Right? And I felt like the 2 boxes would have worked fine, but I did not have the right paint roller. I had like a regular big ass paint roller, and it soaked up all my paint. And I tried to go get a small one this morning, but it was too late for me because I had already used most of my paint. But this is what it's looking like right now. But it's so much brighter and whiter in here. I gotta clean up that little paint right there, on the edge right there. But yeah, so this is where we are right now. It's so much brighter in here, it's crazy. I'm gonna take you guys to my other bathroom when I'm done so you guys can see what it looks like. My mirror, I'm pretty sure I got some paint on here. I did, but right at the bottom. I need to get that off where it sets, but yeah. That's what we're looking like. So I ended up going to the store and getting one of these. And because I didn't have enough, pretty much. I ran out of paint, so I went and got one of these this morning, and I kind of sprayed a lot of the edges of up here. However, I'm gonna go get another can. I think 1, maybe 2 more cans might do. I'm not getting any more of the actual mix. Like that's just like too much. I've used this before to paint a bathtub, and not really the tile itself, but I have started spraying it, like I said, on the edges at the top. I sprayed it on some of the walls as well, so yeah. So I think 2 more cans of this will basically equal 1 box of the roll-on paint. We should be good. My goodness, y'all, I'm so tired. But yeah, this is like 13 hours after I started, or 12 hours after I started. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30, whatever. I can't wait to be done. I'm trying to think if I want to go ahead and put my towel down now or wait till I finish spray painting. I'm gonna wait, and I still gotta get that pieces right there behind the toilet. Alright guys, my floor is disgustingly dirty right now because I've been walking all over it. So I got to like sweep and mop and paint it and stuff. Not paint, but sweep and mop it. I got my new flooring in. They just came, so I ran out of space over here and then in the back corner back there. So I'm going to finish that. But this is what we're looking like right now. I need to get some paint remover. I got like paint on the most random spots. So like right there. That's what we're looking like. As you can see by the walls, like I probably can use another coat of paint, but I'm not worried about that right now. Like I'm done painting. I'm tired. But yeah, so I found this little thing at like the Goodwill such a long time ago, and I was like, oh, this would make a really cute like toilet tissue holder. So I'm not gonna really do a tour yet, but this is what we're looking like right now. So far, this is what we got. I got these photos I got up from Dollar Tree. But yeah, I got one of those over there and one over there, so for like my hair stuff and my shower stuff. Yep. And then I have like this little white container over there with all my cleaning supplies in it. All done. Alright guys, so this is the final bathroom. My frame broke. It fell off the wall and broke. But I got these frames from Dollar Tree. My shower curtain I got from Amazon a long time ago. So I just played off that greenish blue that's in there. Got some towels up, my bath mat, got a little trash can over there. I bought these little potted plant things from, what is it called? IKEA, as well as this little hook thing. I need to get the little cups to put my toothbrush and stuff in, but for now I got that. There is someone that I work with that made me actually hate this saying, but I've usually, you know, that's what I have up there for now, but that will be getting changed. This shelf also came from, actually no, it came from Walmart. So this basket just has like my everyday hair stuff. So I have like some clips, I have a brush, some edge control, my bonnet, well not my bonnet, but like my little silk bonnet thingy. That one has like feminine hygiene, like pads and tampons and stuff. Got this little sign from Dollar Tree. As I said before, that little thing came from the Goodwill. I have this little cart, so basically it has all my towels and washcloths, and up here just have like some toilet bowl like fragrance spray, and what else? Baby wipes, that type of stuff. Got this little gold mirror, got it from Walmart. I still haven't gotten the paint removed off my mirror yet. Yeah. I put a little hook over there for my washcloth. Got some Q-tips and stuff over there. My hand soap. In here we have a basket for all of my hair stuff is in the back. This one is just like a bunch of random stuff. So I have like an extra what's it called? Shower head, like extra razors and wipes and all that stuff in there. And then this has like all my hair tools and stuff. But yeah, so that's my bathroom, guys. Once again, this is what it looks like. And yeah, thanks for watching.